guys, papunta tayo somewhere. Saan kaya? Sa Japan! Kasama ko rin si Stitch, oh. Kumakain rin ng halo-halo. Anyway, so nandito kami sa special assistance dahil bata ako. Buti na lang, bata ako! Guys, so nakapasok naman kami, pero kinuha yung samurai keychain ko sa cellphone ko. So, anyways, kumakain naman ngayon ako ng bread, so okay lang naman ako. Tapos na yung flight namin. Pagod na pagod ako. Nakakapagod kahit na nakaupo ka lang. Parang nakakapagod umupo. Loko lang. Welcome to Japan! Hello! So, we're at the Maestay Hotel. Ito yung hotel namin. Ginamit na ulit yan.
Oh, hi. Bakunahan mo na agad.
Vlog mo ba yan?
Ha?
Yes. Vlogger yan si Zika.
Wow, may pila pa yung pupuntahan namin. Ay. Lakas ng ulan.
Room tour. Welcome.
Welcome to our luxury bed.
Because matutulog ka daw kanya-kanya. So, 3 beds.
Katabi tayo.
No sofa. In the kitchen, with the microwave. Ano ba yung maliit na ano dyan? Corner. Pang bag. Bakit ba may ano pa yung CR? Ay, nice to. Paakbang ka pa. Good morning!
Good morning!
It's day.
Sleep. Day what?
Day 1.
Kahapon day 0.
Yeah. Ayan yung
Ay,
bridge.
nako. Kulit niyo.
Sayang effort ni vlogger eh.
Okay lang yan. Saan tayo pupunta?
Sa shrine.
Sa shrine. Sa Hanazono Shrine.
May bili yung sword ko.
Naalala mo yung samurai sword mo.
Pero plan-plan sila, may kulay sila. Kaya nga.
Parang Gyukatsu Tokyo
Kasi meron
Katsu.
siya pang switch ng...
Basta Gyukatsu pangalan niya. Anyways, mabilis, okay. 10 out of 10 lahat.
So, gumagawa siya ng
Bag tag.
Pokemon. So, pipili ka ng plate. And then parts.
Ito ang napili ko.
Z, E, K.
Wow. Likod. Yan. Ganda. Sugoy. Sugoy. Desne.
So, ito si Fuji. Ito yun sila.
Hashtag fake Lawson. Hashtag fake Fuji Lawson pala. Dahil fake Fuji yan eh. Para sa mga ano. Doon yata yung ano eh. Yung isa pang stamp. Sulit dahil nilalagay na namin sa ano namin. Sa stamp book namin.
So,
Nahanap ko pa. Ito. Hindi yan, mama. Ay, nako.
gulat ka.
Anyway.
Yakapin mo nga, Z. Pipicturean lang kita. Makakailang plates ka?
5 only.
Oh, 5? 5 talaga? Mamaya. Tingnan natin. Diba sabi sa'yo?
Sarap to, pero init.
Ang bilis, parang expect. Uy, yun na.
Kaya lang, naglalaro pa, naglalaro.
Oh, say.
Mananalo yata. Ah, talo pa rin.
Bigyan bayad ng extra.
We're walking in Ueno Park. Sana Yoyogi. Loko lang. Anyways. Ito yung nature na sinasabi ko kanina.
Zik, huwag mo inumin eh.
Uy, lamig.
Lamig.
Masarap inumin ah.
Pwede naman.
We are at Ueno Station. Going to the Warner Brothers Harry Potter Studio Tour. Friday, 29 September 2000, day 1 of filming. Pa nila. Naku, naging Death Eater ka na. Ayun. Naging Death Eater ka na. Yun! Ayun! Oh! Phoenix sa'yo! Dito na kami sa bahay ni Hagrid. Baka nagtatago sila Harry, sila Ron, sa loob ng bahay ni Hagrid. Ay, si Hagrid.
Masarap yung taas. Masarap yung taas.
The quaffle is released and the game begins! He's got the snitch! Harry Potter!
guys, it's another day and it's Papa's birthday. Gusto ko lang mag-bike. Excited na ako. Bukas na. Na-change of plans kasi. Dapat sa Monday pero natagalan. So, magsasara na. Doon pa lang kami nakalakad. So, hindi na namin naabutan. So, excited ako na mag-bike na bukas.
Pero bukas pa yun.
Yeah.
Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Today is Papa Day.
And Zeke Day.
Papa and Zeke Day. Yes, because it's happy birthday, Papa.
Kaya nga. So, Zeke Day dahil mostly same lang kami ng mga gusto eh. So, parang gano'n na rin. Sasakay kami ng bus today. So,
we're buying a gift for Papa.
Ano kaya? Surprise siguro, Mama. Bulong mo na lang sa akin. Knife. Grabe, knife. Bakit naman knife? Panghiwa ng kamay ko?
No. Panghiwa lang ng mga...
Pag nilinis ko kasi baka mahiwa ulit ako.
Pagkain natin.
Ang talim eh.
Oo, Zeke. Dali ka dito. Sika. Ay, grabe yun, oh. Walay. Yay! Ay!
Haunted house kami, tapos naiwan ko dun sa haunted house. Joke lang! Anyway.
Sobrang fun.
Try mo rin yung House of Surprises.
Hindi namin
dito.
sasabihin kung ano kasi surprise. Para ma-surprise din kayo. Sobra kami na-surprise.
Eh, si spoiler boy ako, so... Spoiler! Spoiler, sabihin ko na. Sabihin ko na.
Ako rin. Nakuha mo na.
Three, two, one. Yes! Yeah, okay. What's your name?
Mark.
Mark, okay. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Mark from Philippines! Okay. Do you do any sports?
No.
Really? Seem like a physical person, but okay. If you say so. Which wrestler do you want to challenge us on? Oh, no. Oh, yeah, champion! Okay, take this over, Masnobori. Yeah. Okay, step right up. And toss it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's just go. Yosho. Yosho! Yosho! Okay, I'm from Philippines! Again. Oh, go. Oh, again. Wait. Come on. Go, go, go. Yeah, push him. Push him. Push him. Push him. Grab him first. Push him. Come on. Don't give up. Don't give up. Yeah. All right. Yeah. That's the move. That's the move. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Come on. Keep pushing. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, Mark. Mark. Yeah, be the man! Be the man! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh! Push! No time to cry! Pause! Oh! Yeah! I felt gravity! Yeah! Oh my god! Okay, let's take a picture with the wrestlers. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Oh!
Welcome. Please follow me, put your hand and step. This is the ninja scroll, but it's fake. The real one is in our village. Okay, please follow me, put your step. So now, look. This is the only entrance. I will use the ninja magic. Oh yeah! We can go up! Okay, I will use the ninja magic again. Hit! Yo! Go! Shout! Kai! Jim! Let's dive! Zip! Please follow me, what is that? Now, please look behind. I will hide our village. No naksamanda, bazarada! Okay, now we are safe. Please come this way. Welcome to Ninja Tokyo. This is a roof called Harahafu. It's a Japanese style building. Okay, please follow me.
Oo nga.
That is a sacred tree of our village and a real ninja scroll.
Nice paper green.
So today, your table name is Uboro. Uboro. I will tell other ninjas your arrival. Uboro-sama, gotochaku! Okay, I will guide to your room. Please follow me.
Ganda! So, kakatawa. Grabe. Yung ninja water ay yung pond water dito.
It's a joke.
Kaya nga tap water lang yun. At meron to. So, meron pang design yung ano eh. Yung slot. Di mo lang kita. Tapos ito yung bangko na yung ginamit para dito na dapat mainit kasi nag-smoke na mainit. Yeah, mainit naman pero kasi init ng pan pero lumamig na.
Don't worry, I already served the storm. Please put it right here. Yes.
All?
Yes,
Ano
all.
yan yung bread?
Thank you.
Ano ba yung bread? Using bread?
Okay, now I will use the ninja magic. Ready? Nippo, Ryuen no Jutsu. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Nippo Toshia Kaijin, let's fight! Zen! Okay, the ninja magic lesson. So this is your first meal. Okay, please open it. So inside, it's called monaka. It's Japanese snack. Outside is made from rice paper. Inside, stewed beef and cream cheese. You can eat whole things, so please. Three, two, one.
Nin! Nin! Slowly.
Nippo Kirigakure no Jutsu. It's ninja fog magic.
Whoa! What do we do with this?
May I take some?
Yeah.
I will use the ninja magic.
Ninja magic. May bomb. Ayun no. Kita mo nga. Ayaw.
Sorry, I am a rookie ninja. So today I will use this.
May lighter pala siya eh.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Whoop! Yes, ninja magic success. Okay. So, yes, this is Japanese shellfish called sazai. Sazai. So inside, garlic butter.
Mechoishi.
Okay, thank you for waiting.
Ayan na yung, ano yung charcoal ay bread.
Yes, so this, you already know it? Okay. Yes, so this is your main dish.
What's my birthday cake?
Yes, it's called sawaiki. Yes. Yes, it's chocolate mixed bread.
What's that?
Party box.
So this is the ninja roll cake.
Ice cream.
Yes, and vanilla ice cream. Happy
Blow mo na. Yay! Ayan pala, ayaw ko yung nag-pass through. Try mo, Shay. Tingnan mo naglang. Mga bata, Ito parang lola. Tira mo sila. Three. Yun.
Hello guys! So, umakyat ako, si Ate Sea, at si Tito Lok ng sobrang taas na stairs! As in, kasing taas niya yung sinasabi, same height siya sa Tokyo Skytree Tower, something like that. Pero ang taas actually nun So, parang muntik na akong sumukan ng maraming times dun sa taas. Nakakapagod yun Anyways, yan ang nangyari. Happy to be back on the ground. Not there in the Skytree Tower or something like that. Anyways, yun. So, yan lang ang kwento. Bye-bye!
Lucky.
Salot na! Salot na! Salot na! Salot na! Sana may cave! Pasok ako sa cave!